So we have a Candy Smart washing machine here with the E02 warning message. And the reason this is occurring, this means that the machine is not filling up with water when you try to turn it on. And now there is a way to fix this. There could be a few causes. The most common cause is the valve which supplies the water to the washing machine is turned off. So all you would have to do is just turn the valve to allow water to kind of pass into the washing machine. So the E02 fault is commonly occurring when you've got a freshly installed washing machine but the valve hasn't been turned on. So that's the first option. So that's the first common cause. Another common cause is the washing machine maybe is pushed up against the wall and it's causing compression of the tube which carries the water to the washing machine. So check behind the washing machine and make sure the wires are not excessively bent. Or the third common cause of this E02 message is some kind of blockage in the pipes. So this could be the pipe connecting the water supply to the washing machine. In that case, you can remove it and just check there's no blockage. Or it could be from the water supply itself, so you may have to call a plumber for that. But these are just 3 quick basic fixes for the E02 warning message in your Candy Smart washing machine. If this has been useful, leave a comment below and thank you for watching.